cinnamon rolls. It's some, and that ring light has got rings in my glasses. With some pecans. Doesn't that sound yummy? So we're gonna get started. We're gonna turn you down here. So, first of all, I've already sprayed this with Pam, and it's a little lopsided. So I've just got, these are not made from scratch, so it's just a Pillsbury roll of cinnamon rolls. Pop these open. This is going to be real simple. I hope they turn out yummy. We're gonna see. How is everyone doing? And has anyone ever done this? How made these? I'm gonna be honest, and I have not. So we're gonna try them. Okay. Let me tell you one kitchen gadget that I love, and it's this little thing. They have them at Walmart. They're not like I think 98 cents, or they used to be. And you just take it and you put it over your can, and then you just drain the juice. Simple, makes it easy. Now I could have had this already drained, but I didn't. So anyway, you just get all the juice out. And see if I can back you up a little bit. Okay, and we got some pecans here. Another one of my favorite kitchen gadgets is this right here, and this is from Rachelsuniquecrafts. You can get them online. And this way you can control how small basically you want them, or if you just keep chopping, they keep getting smaller. But I love this little hand gadget. I figured since I needed to make something sweet, I would just go ahead and record it for y'all and see if it's going to be good. Okay. I'm going to put, mash them down in there. Probably should spread them out a little bit. I just don't want them all rolling off of the cinnamon rolls. I'm thinking honey buns, y'all. That's what I'm thinking. But they're not honey buns, they're cinnamon rolls. Good old pecans. Pecans has gotten so high, but they are so good. Okay, now they'll be cooked down in there. And now we're going to, I don't know if we should cut up our little peaches or not. I use red knives a good bit. Let me get a bowl and pour those in. And we'll just kind of slice them up a little bit. I already have the oven heated to 375. And a little bit of this juice, I didn't really get all the juice out of here, but a little bit of this juice is probably going to be good in there. Let's get a spoon here and dip us some peaches in here. That's a big chunk there. Now let's see how this is going to work. I bet some of this juice is going to seep down in here and make these cinnamon rolls taste so good. I think my mom has tried this before. I don't know if she put pecans or not on there, but she was talking about putting fruit on the cinnamon rolls. So I'm going to try some with peaches and pecans and just see, because I've never been around when she done it. I think she did that for her grandsons. You know, when grandchildren come along, the children kind of get knocked to the next level. And I wouldn't have no other way. So, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Peachy squeezy. Okay, I'm going to put these in the oven, and we're going to see how these turn out. So, let me turn my oven light on, slide these in here. It is set on 375, and we're going to see, let's see, I'm going to use that icing when they get done. This said 375 for 13 to 17 minutes. I'm not going to stand here and just run my mouth and bore y'all to death. So I'm going to go, and when this gets done, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, the timer just went off for the 5th, 6th time, but I let it go off, or I reset it. The first timer I set for 15 minutes. And they weren't done. So I set it again and again. Kept checking them. It's been 26 minutes. On the package of cinnamon rolls, it says 13 to 17 minutes. And so the first timer I just set 15. So this is what they look like. And it's been 26 minutes. So I wanted to make sure, you know, because we put some juice and peaches and all that in there, I wanted to make sure they were done. So, it'd help if I turn y'all down, wouldn't it? Okay, here we go. Well, let's see. I was trying to clean up my mess a little bit. We're going to take this little icing here and drizzle it over. Smells so good. And this is a, you know, just an easy dessert or breakfast. Oh my goodness, sweeten this out. Let me set that on my little wipey there. I just want just enough to taste it because I'm not hungry right now. More piece of that peach, some nuts, and cinnamon roll. Okay, moment of truth. Moment of truth. Y'all, the stand is just falling everywhere. Okay. That's a hit for me. That is good. Oh my goodness. That is delicious. A can of peaches, a roll of cinnamon rolls, and some pecans. Heavenly. That is an easy, simple, quick dessert. Within 30 minutes you can have something most of the time. So I cooked it 26 minutes on 375. Y'all got to try this. If you like peaches, you like cinnamon rolls, that's yummy. So y'all let me know if y'all try this and let me know what you think about it. Okay? So I'm gonna go for now. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. So get to crafting, make something pretty, or you just get in the kitchen and make something yummy to eat. So I love you all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye, y'all.